If you know what this is, you are hardcore 12 valve. I'm gonna give you guys a few more seconds to look at this, see if you can figure it out. Leave in the comments if you got it or not. We'll see how many people actually figured this out. All right, time's up. I'm gonna tell you what it is. This is an AFC foot. This is for the 12 valve P-pump guys or 24 valve P-pump guys. When we sell people an AFC Live, we send out instructions on how to modify their stock foot. You grind this a little bit, you grind this a little bit for more flow, more travel, more power. Oftentimes we get calls from guys who bought a truck and somebody before them had gutted the AFC. You've probably seen that term on the forums, they gutted my AFC. That means they took this out. And so the reason people do that is then they can just give it all the fuel, which is great, but you lose all control. You cannot control it with AFC Live. Without this, AFC Live will not work. So guys call in, they're sad because they want to have AFC Live, but this part's missing, and I'm like, you just have to look at eBay or go to a pump shop. They're not available. They don't make them, and good luck. You just have to find one. We've had enough requests that we finally decided it was time to make our own. So we went out and made this little billet. This is a billet piece, 4140 steel, which is a hard machinable steel. And we have made an AFC foot, and we've used these, they work great. And what's awesome about this is no modifications needed. We have already got this distance correct so it can have the full travel. We've got this flat so it's not going to defuel as the governor arm rises on the fuel plate. Also, this is a little bit higher than stock, so the governor arm will not go over it and kind of give you a weird little thing happening there. So it's a simple little thing that no longer is being made, and if you need one, we have it for you. We're also offering this in our AFC Live kits, so if you don't want to pull yours out and modify it, you can just buy this and save yourself a bunch of time. You don't have to use this if you have one. You certainly can modify your own. But if you'd like to have this one in there, you're welcome to do it. So anyway, it's a new thing. We just barely got these in. We've been working on this for actually quite a while. There's a lot of really fine details that you can't mess up in a P-pump. It's really a fine piece of machinery. And they're awesome, so check them out.